Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing. Update WhatsApp and run a quick chat backup so nothing is lost. Once done, open Settings Account Privacy. You will change last seen, profile photo, and about. Make sure to set last seen to nobody and profile photo to my contacts or nobody if you need stricter privacy. Do this now because these privacy toggles reduce clues people used to infer when you're active, though they don't stop the literal online indicator. Once privacy basics are set, disable read receipts in the same privacy menu so people can't see message opens. Next, use notification previews or the WhatsApp widget to read and reply without opening the app. This helps avoid showing online. If you must open WhatsApp, turn on airplane mode first, compose and send your reply, then close the app and disable airplane mode. This typically prevents the online flag from appearing to others. To finish, test your setup by messaging from a second account to confirm the online status behavior. If you still appear online, force close WhatsApp, disable background data, and ensure no other device is logged into your account. Make sure to avoid third-party apps that promise invisibility. They risk your account and privacy. If problems persist, reinstall WhatsApp after a fresh backup. This often clears cache states that reveal activity. One tip: check linked devices and log out extras if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.